Welcome to easygold24. My name is Tobias Henderson and I am responsible for the user experience at Hartman & Benz. Today, we're looking at our website from top to bottom. We are starting up here with the current price ticker for gold in the gold account, or alternatively in the VIP business account. There, you will find the price information, and that leads us to the first and almost most important point. Open your gold account now. The account opening is quite unspectacular. Simply create a new customer account by entering your username, email address, and a password. We have a small security capture here, and optionally, we would be pleased to receive information on how you became aware of us. You still do not have to enter any personal data here, because you can invest up to €2,000 per week in gold anonymously. However, more on that later. Let us go back first. The next exciting point here on our website is Recommend easygold24, Get Gold Now. i.e., if you recommend easygold24, you will get 0.10 grams of gold credited to your account, free of charge. The new customer will also get 0.10 grams of gold credited to his or her gold account. Now it gets even better, because if you recommend our gold shop and the new customer makes a purchase, 1% of gold will be credited to your gold account. Therefore, let's take a closer look at the gold shop and click on Gold Shop Buy Now to land in our gold shop. We haven't translated the gold shop yet, but I will guide you through it. As a small or private investor, you can buy gold bars with a weight of 1 gram. Let's have a look. The details shown are self-explanatory. 10 grams of gold bar. Price information. The material, of course, is gold. Fineness 999.9. Minimum purchase 10 grams. Finish. Comes as an embossing bar, and so on and so forth. Delivery time 1 to 2 weeks. Add to cart and off you go. However, our gold shop still has a special feature. I would like to draw your attention to the fact that you can also buy your gold here if you are an entrepreneur. Gold fixing is carried out here. Our prices are based on the current stock exchange rate of 1,000 grams. That means 1 gram of gold bar is 1 gram of gold. But a minimum purchase of 1,000 grams is required. This applies to gold bars from 1 to 10 grams. The minimum purchase for a 20-gram gold bar is 2 kilograms and a minimum of 5 kilograms for the 50-gram gold bar. As I mentioned before, we are guided by the gold exchange rate. You can also go to comparison portals such as gold.de to counter-check the price for a gold bar. In the VIP business account, we are even a bit lower with the price because we have added a bonus. However, more on that later. Let's take a further look at our website. We also have a gold chart for you here. Very nice to see how the gold has evolved in comparison to the Dow Jones and the excess return you could achieve here in a direct comparison. Which leads me to another interesting point. We offer the opportunity to set up a monthly savings plan in gold in our gold account. That might also be an interesting idea, perhaps for the children or grandchildren. Simply select the amount and add it to the shopping cart. It is so easy to set up the monthly gold savings plan here. Let us go back to our main page and scroll down a bit further. Your personal Hartman & Benz gold account. Secure, flexible, free of charge. And I would like to emphasize that there are no running or hidden costs whatsoever. You have the price ticker for the gold in the gold account up here, and that is exactly what you pay. Our complete service is already included. Let us move on. You will only receive LBMA certified gold, VAT free, of course. As a small investor, you have no minimum purchase value. Here you can purchase the gold anonymously, as already briefly mentioned before. You can have the gold delivered at any time, or make an offer to sell it again. You are welcome to inquire about our fiduciary process, and of course, you can achieve a nice return. our internal gold transfer might also be interesting for you. You can easily transfer gold back and forth between different easygold24 accounts. This is similar to PayPal. Simply enter an email address and off you go. Here we have also built in a buyer protection. We as a limited liability company have of course no access to your gold account, but if you want to pay for a service with gold, for example, but have not received this service, we can block this transaction for you and then release it again if necessary. So, why invest in gold? Gold is, of course, the oldest means of payment in the world. It has always been quite stable in value, even in years of war or crisis, and as an investment vehicle, unlike a public limited company, it cannot go bankrupt. How does it work here at easygold24? Simply open an account, deposit money, buy gold, use our services such as the internal gold transfer, or have the gold delivered physically, or invest it in the gold account. After 1 year, have the gold delivered, or continue to invest the gold. Why easygold24? Here we have listed various advantages, many of which I have already mentioned. But I would like to make a few points in particular. Our all-risk insurance is included, which means that every step from shopping cart to delivery is fully insured. Furthermore, gold is special assets, which means that in Switzerland, where we store a large part of our gold, the company gold is stored separately from the customer gold and is therefore safe from seizure and insolvency. The purchase gold is tax-free. After a holding period of 12 months, the sale of the gold is also tax-free. We now continue with our payment providers. You can pay in advance or by bank transfer. However, we also work with cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Tether, or USD coin. Here, you can find the current price ticker of Bitpanda. You will then receive a wallet ID from us. Please make sure that you only send the corresponding cryptocurrency to the respective wallet ID. If you would like to pay with Bitcoin and receive a Bitcoin wallet ID from us, please send only Bitcoin. If you send Ethereum or any other currency, it may be lost. There is of course a small risk, and with this in mind, I would like to draw your attention to our risk information. The price of gold is of course volatile, and we use the stock market price as a guide when selling. This should be taken into account, and there is of course the currency risk, as the gold price is quoted in US dollars and the dollar rate can also fluctuate. Now I'd like to draw your attention to our VIP business account because it has some really nice bonus benefits. The VIP business account is available from a minimum investment of €1,000, and besides all the advantages that the normal gold account also offers, there are a few bonus points. The holdings will be confirmed by an auditor. You'll receive more favourable purchase rates here. Let us compare the rates with gold.de again. The price per gold bar here in the VIP business account, the rate is 2% below the spot price. We will issue you a purchase certificate and you will benefit from our trust service because the complete gold purchase is handled by a trust company. We can also arrange this for you in advance. You are welcome to contact us for this. If we now scroll down a bit further, you will see a few more certificates of which we are particularly proud. At the DIQP, the German Institute for Quality Standards and Testing, we scored very well with an overall rating of 96.31% for top service, both in 2019 and 2020. You are also welcome to read our customer reviews at Proven Expert. We also received a certificate with an excellent score from the Unternehmer Academy, which of course makes us very proud. If you still have questions or need help now, please fill in the contact form. My colleagues from support will also be available at any time.